Ka Phan Nonglait, Meghalaya's first woman freedom fighter, had participated in the Anglo-Indian War between 1829 and 1833, where, according to the bilingual writer and academician Dr. Ratan Bhattacharjee, she had countered the British forces with tactical inputs and guerrilla tactics, and her role in the freedom struggle is no less than Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi in 1857. Apart from her active role in the Anglo-Khasi War, she was also instrumental in the killing of 32 British soldiers. It may be mentioned that the Maitshaphrang Movement had staged a street play titled Ka Phan Nonglait in many localities of Shillong and in Nongklau village in 1994 and 1995, highlighting her contributions to the freedom struggle. A booklet of this drama was also published, and the forwarding address was written by late Dr. B. Pakem, the then Vice-Chancellor of the Northeastern Hill University. Along similar lines, a book titled Ka Phan Nonglait, A Lady Freedom Fighter of India, was written by Supreme Court lawyer Daniel Stone Lingdot Nonglait and forwarded by Salman Khurshid, was released on the 29th of April this year. This book has also given an added importance and urgency for granting the recognition due to Meghalaya's first unsung woman freedom fighter. Observing her 172nd death anniversary, the convener of the Maitshaphrang Movement, Michael N Syiem, had urged upon both the central and state governments to give due recognition and prominence to this unsung hero, and also to observe the 6th of December every year as Ka Phan Nonglait Day, by highlighting her contributions and sacrifices, and also by instituting an award in her honor.
A Lady Freedom Fighter of India, written by Supreme Court lawyer Daniel Stone Lingdot. After an extensive research and forwarded by Salman Khurshid, was released on 29 April 2022. Gives an added importance and urgency for granting this recognition. Ki kam seluruh jangka pandang lagi N Syiem yang kejadian beriu jungi. Kejadian beriu new trap ketika kejadian beriu keberit pat. Bat kebelah syakir kut kejadian beriu hek pat sudah. Kumta ke donkam balat yang kecingnya terilang kebajan apa yang kikentai bagi senrang. Kamtam haga benta ban penteri kam ya ka Meghalaya compulsory registration of marriage act. But ban kershan ru ban pelong an no ya ka equitable distribution of self-acquired and ancestral property. Ikam seluruh yang pandang laj ben i lentiru baka haka kim haka banse syaki jaka bagi senrang kim long shu bantur degi kentai di bala bandrung hadu ikam latia jongki long shu. Ini ka jing persang jong ni banyo ya ka recognition ya Ka Phan Nonglait ya tho ngira ai ro do jing tho sa speaker assembly ba met ba Lingdot ba in pursue mi nak leng kum Convenor ban pursue ba ka government of India ba ka state government ban itu no ya Ka Phan Nonglait kum ko ni freedom fighters chung la jila jung ni hadin bang la tho iba met ba ila ai su ko jing tho su MLA jung ni ba Adelbert Nongrum ban pursue nak leng ni nomor ba iru de konsul MLA jung ga bang ha konsul sini te mata ni ba met ba la poi sui ba Sanbor Sulai ba Sanbor Sulai ko Minister of Art and Culture di bantiga bat ka Ministry of Art and Culture lor kani.
The MLA of North Shillong constituency, Adelbert Nongrum, who has been supporting this particular cause of the Maitshaphrang movement, had informed that he had recently approached the Minister in charge of Arts and Culture Department, Government of Meghalaya, Sanbor Sulai, on the need to give due recognition and status to Ka Phan Nonglait as one of Meghalaya's freedom fighters.
Nakaliang ka sarkar bahkan itu nak mardor khamtam haban itu yang ni ka wei na preng ka nongile Ka Phan Nonglait kum ko wei ka freedom fighter kum baki wei ru klayo ya ni ka jing itu ani ka status ko ba nakaliak johar kum memberi ngai keren body ba sanbor honorable minister jongka art and culture ngai keren body na budin ba mi ru ila simkhya ba ngits kan makani ru kan dono haprenka karwan no thak banta ban urlong ko wani ni ka singi ba ka wei na prenki long kbe jongka jat ban ru jongi kan yo ya ni ka status kum ka freedom fighter